Hello, everyone. I'm Anna, and welcome to Teacher Anna English Stories, the podcast where learning English feels warm, simple, and real.
And I'm Mark. Today, we're talking about feelings. Learning how to talk about your emotions helps you sound natural and confident in conversations.
That's right. You'll learn how to say when you're happy, sad, tired, or even excited in clear, simple English.
Before we start, remember you can join our free mini seminar, Small Talk in English. The link is in the description.
So, take a deep breath, grab your coffee, and let's get started.
Listen, learn, try.
Let's start with positive feelings. Listen. I'm happy. Try. I'm happy. Good job.
You can also say, I'm really happy today, or I'm excited.
Example. I'm excited because it's Friday.
I'm happy to be here with you, Anna.
Aw, thank you, Mark. Now you. Say one sentence with happy or excited.
Great. Keep practicing. Not every day is high energy. Sometimes we're calm or tired. Listen, I'm tired. Try. I'm tired.
You can also say, I feel relaxed, or I'm calm.
Example. After yoga, I feel relaxed.
I'm tired after work.
Now you. Say, I feel relaxed when... Good job.
Sometimes we don't feel great, and that's okay. Listen, I'm sad. Try. I'm sad.
Or, I'm worried. I'm a little nervous or anxious. Example, I'm worried about my test. Or, I'm sad because it's raining.
Let's practice a positive twist. I'm okay. I'll be fine. Repeat again.
Good job. Now, strong emotions. Listen, I'm angry. Try. I'm angry.
You can also say, I'm frustrated, or that makes me angry.
Example, I'm angry when people are late.
I'm frustrated when I can't speak English well.
But remember, that's part of learning. Say it with us. I'll try again. Nice energy. Keep practicing.
Now, the beautiful emotions. Listen. I love my family. Try. I love my family.
I'm thankful for my friends.
I feel joy when I listen to music.
Gratitude is great for your heart and your English. Repeat after me. I'm thankful.
I feel happy. I love my life.
Beautiful. You're amazing, everyone.
Let's review. Repeat with me. I'm happy. I'm tired. I'm sad. I'm angry. I'm thankful.
Now let's connect with daily actions. I drink coffee every morning. I feel happy. I work hard, but I feel tired.
I study English and I feel proud. That's it. Mix your daily life with emotions.
Good job. You're doing great. Today, we learned how to talk about feelings: happy, sad, tired, angry, thankful, and more.
You can use these words every day to make your English sound natural and real.
Let's review one last time. Happy, excited, tired, relaxed, sad, worried, angry, frustrated, thankful, joyful, proud.
Now, your fun question for the comments. How do you feel today? What makes you happy?
Write your answers below. Tell us about it. And remember, listen, learn, try. Every time you repeat, you get better.
Keep practicing with Teacher Anna English Stories. You're doing great.
Thanks for listening. See you soon and take care.